Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. Zimbabwean businesswoman Mai Titi has surprised her husband Shumba with a brand new car for the family as an early Valentine's gift. Mai Titi has revealed that she used a payment plan on it because of how expensive it was. She started paying every month in 2025 until January 2026. While breaking the car news, she also revealed that she's recovering from liposuction surgery. She has thanked her husband for always being there for her during every step, indicating that she went through the most as her BP spiked soon after the surgery. After the surgery, I stayed in hospital getting treatment and aftercare until I said, let me move and stay at our place that is close to the doctors, so that they can be coming to treat me from there in order to cut costs, she posted. For more stories, please do like and subscribe to our channel at Zimstake Media.